What tools do we need to draw and measure angles? Only simple tools like a pencil, a ruler, and of course, a protractor. Angles are measured using a protractor with a unit called degree. The degree symbol is a small superscript circle like this one. Look closely at the given protractor. This horizontal line is called the baseline. In the middle of the baseline is the midpoint. There are two scales in a protractor. In this one, we have the inner scale in blue color. This is used when the angle is opened from the right side. As you can see, from the right, you start with 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, and so on. And at the end, you'll find 180 degrees. The other scale is in black color, used when the angle is opened from the left. See on this side, you'll find 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, and this goes on also until 180 degrees. So if you notice, the scale has an interval of 10 degrees. This means that an angle may measure between these intervals.